Hi, I'm professional hairstylist and educator Scott King, and I'm here to show you how I like to style with the Sutra infrared flat iron. So I'm gonna do some loose undone waves with the flat iron, and I like to personally take diagonal back sections. What's so great about this is the heat is evenly distributed, and you really only have to do one pass. So the infrared in this flat iron really seals the cuticle, making it a frizz-free, very glossy finish. So to create this wave, I like to start at the top and bend it over. That gives you a little bit of volume, and then you just go back and forth with the iron, and it just really creates an undone, effortless, chic wave. But a tip around the face, like right here, go away, opening up the eye like so. So this flat iron heats up really fast and gets up to 450 degrees, but because her hair is color treated, I have it set to 390. But you can still go pretty high with it because the infrared really protects the hair and keeps the hair healthy. A little trick for around the face and to not get like a hairspray feel, I like to spray a little bit on my fingertips and just go along like that. But this is a super flexible hold, and you can spray a bunch and still brush through and it won't feel tacky. A lot of people don't know that infrared can be used to benefit the hair as well. It actually helps extend color and chemical services because it seals in the cuticle. It dramatically reduces styling time. That's why I'm really flying through this style, and you can see how fast it's working. As a hairstylist who uses styling tools every single day, I just love that this infrared line promotes healthy hair through healthy heat. Here's the final look. There she is.